my YouTube channel. My name is Vipul and you are watching Digital Vipul. In this video we'll talk about how to create a Twitter account. Okay, so we have already created an Instagram account and a Facebook page for our business. So we want to create a Twitter account for our business. So let's see how we can do that. So what you have to do, go to the Chrome extension, type www.twitter.com. Okay, then you have to go on sign up. Then you have to use email. Okay, then put it like Digital Vipul. Put your email over here, admin@digitalvipul.com. Click on next. Okay, click on next and click on sign up. So they have sent a verification code that we have received definitely over here. As I have set an email forwarder on that email ID to my Gmail account. If you want to see how that works, okay, you can check my video. I have already made a video on that. I will give the link in the description. Okay, so here we go. We got that code. We will copy that code. 421187. Okay, 87, and then we click on next. Okay, then you have to enter a password. Then we will click on next. Then add a profile picture, and we will skip this for now. Your bio, we will skip this for now. And then you can put your languages over here, English and Hindi. Click on next. You can select this later on. Next and next. So you can see our account has been created. So you can click on this. You can check your profile, Digital Vipul @Digital. So in this way we create a Twitter account for ourselves. Okay, hope this video was helpful for you. So if you like this video, click on the like button and share it with maximum amount of people. And also if you face any kind of issue, do let me know in the comment section. Okay, and if you have any suggestion, definitely comment on this video. Okay, so hope you all are doing good. So this is all from this video. Thank you so much. Bye bye.